Dog, ain't it's gonna do what it's gonna do. Fuck 12, man, till we need it. Slide through the cut, man. Real niggas on. Bitches choosing, niggas forfeiting. Talk is cheap and you still can't afford it. Why? Bitches choosing, niggas forfeiting. Why? Die for something, just don't die for Jordans. I'm in a lot of pictures, but no weed, it never makes the pose. Cause I'm not trying to pave the road for drug abusing 8-year-olds whose favorite goal is rapping at the level of a Drake and Cole who draped in gold. Cause they think shiny things is what's gonna make you whole. Niggas think I'm brand new, they call me fancy pants. No, I got the sweet tooth, the rap game just Candyland. I got them hoes coming through and we just have pajama jam. I make her take it off and fuck her to Hitman Sammy Sam as she stand. What you thought? Her nigga, she no longer follow. He the man that Grand Theft Auto, but he ain't got no Kato. Damn, I'm Ricky Ricardo and I love Lucy Juicy Coochie. Ooh, she hit the lotto, fam. I might pay off her college plan. Sally Mae, okay, you bitch, you bitch, you bitch, you bitch. Calling her phone at 3 a.m. She need to get her number switched. Okay, my top off, getting my rocks off, got my socks off, cause I'm country. I woke up like this, looking like I just want some money, and I does. Well, goddamn, Leezy cocky then. But at the same time, young hoes be jocking slim. Goddamn, Leezy cocky then. But at the same time, young hoes. I've seen my growth over these years, the final outcome worth these tears. I always tell my nigga Miller, wait until this shit appears. I cast a light on smaller towns who never seen the light of day, cause Huntsville small as fuck, but when you hear feel like a tidal wave. Well, goddamn, my city cocky then. But it's the perfect place for dope boys to profit in. Modern day urban culture will try anything and let it fry your brain just like the club fried chicken wings. Is it music? Is it TV? Is it Chris Brown? Is it Riri? Is it parents ain't whooping their kids' ass like they need be? Is it Kiki being freaky cause she heard that shit from CC and she only 12 years old? Her boyfriend creeping in her teepee. Is it greedy social media exploiting us freely? Is it proper propaganda that we don't feed the needy? Man, I be killing them. I need a sentence. Look to the Lord. I need repentance. Listen, my mother. I know she in heaven. I don't wanna die. I just wanna visit. I want a real life to be realized through real eyes. And if I don't make it, I'ma be somewhere sitting down and live five. Singing my heart out, getting my art out. Give me some change. You see my jar out. Came a long way from buying the bar out, starting no hoes and pulling them cars out. I think and pull a cigar out. Never be home whenever it's dark out. Give it my life, but keeping my heart out. That's how you get hurt. That's how you get murked. Signs of weakness, they might seek it. Better stay your ass in church. If you scared, go to church. If you aware, then stay alert. If you compared, then let's converse. But that's nowhere on this motherfucking earth. Well, goddamn, Leezy cocky then. But why the fuck the poor people being targeted? I look at billboards promoting the cheapest dollar menu, serving food that will offend you, but it's what the poverty stricken is obviously picking. Even though them nuggets not really chicken. And after years of this, you'll have to pay the doctor a visit. He'll tell you everything that's wrong with you, and to fix you are probably gonna need a loan, nigga. Oh, your credit bad? Okay, let's choose the cheapest, most less effective method of treatment, and just go off for hope and prayer. Hope you believe in Jesus. Do you believe in Jesus? We got a chapel here on site. Make sure you bring your deacon. Speak and teach in each and every one of these geekers. Grandma Champion always told me I was gonna be a preacher. High school's underneath the bleachers. Smoking dubs, a freaking reefer. Back when I was fucking with Alicia, I was just thugging off the leashes. Weed, it compliments my features. Ain't no argument between us. I'm gonna let your girl pussy throw a party on my penis. Woo. Did I go too far? Do more than the average Joe. If I be Joe, it's Joe Dumar. Realer than I know you are. The devil said I go too hard, and I don't talk about whips, cause really no new car can go too Mars. Focal point, my vocal cords. Global with a local star. And I don't got no rims, but I'm speaking to the low and heart. Well, goddamn, Leezy cocky then. But at the same time, young ho be jocking slim. Man, goddamn, Leezy cocky then. But at the same time, young hoes be jocking slim. Jock Slim, young ho, Jock Slim.